OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro fresh renders have surfaced online just days after some initial renders showing the design of OnePlus 9 Pro emerged on the web. The new renders provide a more realistic view of the next generation OnePlus phones that are speculated to arrive in the first quarter of 2021. Alongside the renders suggesting the design of OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro, a new report has claimed that the Chinese company is in plans to bring a third model, the OnePlus 9 series, that could be called OnePlus 9E. But in this video, we are going to discuss about everything we know about OnePlus 9 Pro so far. So guys, this is Suleiman Khan and let's start. So let's start with the design. So far we have seen a couple of renders for the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. The first set of renders comes courtesy of 91 Mobiles. It got a hold of CAD renders of the upcoming OnePlus 9 and it appears to include a flat display, corner camera bump and hole punch selfie camera in the top left hand corner of the screen. The OnePlus 9 Pro renders were revealed by OnLeaks and it too has a hole punch camera in the top left hand corner, but it appears to sport a curved display. The OnePlus 9 Pro will copy the 80 by moving the camera module to the top left of the back. Some leaks points that the current prototype includes up to 4 camera lenses and adds that 2 of them are enclosed in huge metal rings which protrude slightly from the main camera bump. The OnePlus 9 Pro is a 6.7-inch device with a glass back with the speakers on the bottom edge. The alert slider and power button are on the right side with the volume rocker on the left. As for the internals, we can expect both smartphones to get powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which has been recently released at the Qualcomm Summit in December 2020. The device is also likely to feature a dual stereo speaker setup, NFC and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Like the OnePlus 8T, the upcoming OnePlus smartphone would feature 65 watts fast charging coupled with fast wireless charging. Now, if we talk about the camera, it seems likely that it will follow the example set by the OnePlus 8 and 8A by including 4 rear cameras and at least 1 hole punch selfie camera in the front. The 8T came with a 48 megapixel camera and there have been rumors that OnePlus would launch a phone with a boosted 64 megapixels main lens instead. It was suggested that it could have launched with the 8T, though that never came to pass. In any case, if there is a 64 megapixel sensor lying around at OnePlus, it may well end up in the OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro. We can also expect an ultra wide lens on the back as well as 2 more auxiliary lenses. What those lenses might be is another story though. Most companies would include a telephoto lens at the very least, though OnePlus forgot that obvious choice in favor of more eccentric examples like a macro lens, the 80's monochrome camera or the 8 Pro's problematic color filter lens. The OnePlus 8 Pro included a 3x telephoto lens and we would like to see an optical zoom on the OnePlus 9 series as well. Now, finally, if we talk about the price and release date, there is no word on how much the OnePlus 9 series might cost, but knowing OnePlus, it's going to be fairly affordable. Prices for the OnePlus 8 started at $699, though the starting prices for the OnePlus 8T rose to $749. Obviously, higher storage options cost more. The OnePlus 8 Pro had a starting price of $899 for 128GB and $999 for 256GB. But we should expect the OnePlus 9 to cost at least $749 for the lower storage options. As for the release date, we could be seeing the OnePlus 9 series in mid-March 2021. In other words, that means that not only would the OnePlus 9 be released several weeks earlier than usual, it could potentially be up against other flagships from Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi and all the others who like to launch phones around that time. So guys, are you excited for the upcoming OnePlus 9 series? And which feature you want OnePlus to add in the 9 series? Do let us know that in the comments down below, and for more future updates like this, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.